In this video, we're going to look at how to sum values from a column using an Excel formula. In this example, we have a list of fruit and vegetables and quantity for 4 shops. And what we want to do here is to simply sum the amounts for all of the fruit and vegetables for shop A. We can achieve this by using the sum function. So let's begin by entering the formula into cell C10. Equals sum open parentheses. And all we need to do here is to select the range of cells that capture the values that we want to sum. In this case, we want to total the quantity of all fruit and vegetables for shop A, which is captured in one column, ranging from cell C3 through to C9. So let's go ahead and select this range, followed by a closing parentheses, and then press the Enter key. Great, the formula is now returning the sum of all the fruit and vegetables in shop A. If we want to calculate the sum of the fruit and vegetables for the rest of the shops, we can simply click on the cell where the sum of shop A has been calculated, hover over to the bottom right corner, and then drag the formula across the columns for each of the shops. You can see that Excel is now summing all of the values by each column. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.